Today, we'll explore how these beautiful tropical home ideas can turn everyday living into a private vacation experience. This interior shifts toward a softer tropical palette, using olive green upholstery, warm wood, cane panels, and woven textures to create a calm, natural mood. The open living and dining areas are organized around large sliding doors, allowing the pool, palms, and garden views to become part of the room. Built-in cabinetry, wide windows, ceiling fans, and layered storage make the spaces practical while keeping the design visually clean. The bathroom continues the same language with stone-look surfaces, green vanities, frameless glass, and moisture-friendly finishes suited to a tropical home. This final home presents a more expansive tropical estate with terracotta rooflines, broad terraces, poolside bedrooms, and layered volumes that create a strong resort-style composition. The architecture uses deep roof overhangs, shaded outdoor areas, and large sliding openings to manage sunlight while keeping the house closely connected to the pool and garden. Functional spaces such as the kitchen, bedrooms, bathroom, craft room, and study are arranged with generous storage, clear circulation, and durable materials suited for tropical living. The overall result is a refined family retreat that balances privacy, comfort, and a strong connection to nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tropical home ideas give you more inspiration for your own design journey.